Happy Friday, everyone. It's Miss Cartwright here. I hope you're all okay. Now, you have all done such a wonderful job of your writing this week. I am so impressed. You really have done a great job. So today it is just now time to publish your work to make it into a finished newspaper article. So what I would suggest you do before you publish today is just go over and check your work. Have you missed out any capital letters? Have you missed out any full stops? Does your writing make sense? I would suggest reading it out loud to just check if you have made any mistakes, okay? So can you do that now and pause the video, and then I'm going to show you some examples of how you can publish today. Right then, so how you publish your work is entirely up to you really. All I would say is make sure it is set out like a newspaper on your published work. So have you got a newspaper name, your date, your headline? You're not just setting it out in one big paragraph. You set it out in columns like a newspaper is set out as. You can add a picture, and you can even add a caption underneath your picture as well. So you need to set it out like a newspaper. You could type it out online. That would be a great way to publish if you have got access to that. You could find a blank sheet of paper and write it on there. With that blank sheet of paper, you could get a tea bag and stain the paper so it looks all old. Or maybe you could write it out in your book again. You could draw the lines in your book. So you could draw a line down the middle of your page. So you've got two columns. You could draw a box in there so you've got room for a picture. Can you remember when we did the Wakari volcano? And when we wrote that newspaper report, you could set it out in your books like we did then, okay? So I'm really looking forward to reading these newspaper articles and seeing your final finished piece of work. Well done and good luck.